the 5 people that you need in a real estate transaction. Number 1, your insurance person. That's not just your property insurance, that's also your car insurance and your health insurance. Number 2 is your CPA. Make sure that you talk to them about how the purchase of your property is going to affect your taxes in the upcoming year. 3 is your estate planning attorney. You want to make sure that the property is going to be transferred if, God forbid, something were to happen to you. 4 is your financial advisor to make sure that the property that you just bought keeps you on track for your wealth building goals. And 5 is definitely your real estate agent, who should remind you to file for homestead once you're actually moved into the property. If you want to learn more about how these people can help you in your real estate transaction, make sure that you comment down below and we'll get our buyer negotiation workshop over to you.